What's up, you guys? It's your boy Jason from the 3 Minutes Go channel, and I'm super excited for today's video. So I finally got my hands on an integrated engineering carbon fiber 4-inch intake, as well as a DS1 tune, right? Yeah. So we're not gonna be installing the DS1 tune today. I'm gonna save that for the next video. But in this video, we are gonna be installing the intake. So let me show you guys what I got. All right, so I already went ahead and opened the box up. So excuse the mess. With a ton of packing paper to make sure it was protected, and I just want to make sure everything that was supposed to be inside of the box was. I have a 2019, and if you guys know this, and if you don't, you're about to find out, but you need a special adapter for the intake for the 19 and up models. So I had to make sure it was in the box before we even start this video, because if not, it would have been a waste of time. So the adapter is right here. Part number IEINCQ118, and this is a new style adapter. They used to sell another one that you would have to buy separately. It was about $100 or so, but you don't got to do that no more. And that comes with these little gaskets that you're gonna need, as well as some bolts. So perfectly supplied. They came in this little box to the side, so we're good. All right, so the other hardware we got is these couplers with the extended hose. So you gotta make sure you got that. Got the intake coupler. I'm gonna be running the stock turbo inlet. So normally people would buy a 4-inch inlet to go match with their 4-inch intake, but I didn't want to spend $2,000 on a full intake system, at least not just yet, for like 15 horsepower. So bear with me, you guys. This is for the stock turbo inlet, which is back here, and I'm completely fine with running this one for now. You got the rest of your hardware, couplers, rubber grommets, heat shielding. It's all inside of there. And it looks like they hooked it up with some stickers, as well as a little, what is this, drink sleeve. I'll open that up at the end just to celebrate, but throw that over there. And here's our intake, the actual piece that we need. Give me 1 second, I'm gonna pull these out. All right, so you guys, I'm kind of nervous to hold this one, but this is the 4-inch turbo inlet. This back pipe back here, right? So you guys can see the quality of it. Beautiful carbon fiber. Thank God there's no blemishes from shipping, and it looks way thicker than the OEM one. Once we pull it out, we'll compare them. But I'm gonna go ahead and put this back in the sleeve just to keep it nice, and we'll move on to the bigger pieces. Ooh, this thing looks beautiful. So this is our brand new piece, integrated engineering, full intake, as well as the, what you call it, like the RAM cooling. It's gonna replace this part right here, this little thin tiny part. And the reason I went with this intake was because I saw a recommendation on YouTube by Hank Iroz that this intake was good up to 1,000 horsepower. I'm definitely not gonna be running that on mine, but it's good to know that this can support you pretty much all the way up there. I also saw that he mentioned that it has a ram air kind of built into where the filter goes. So I really like that. And it creates positive pressure, which is kind of important on this for tuning. So beautiful piece. Like I said, the only other piece I was considering was a Unitronic, but Integrated Engineering was having a sale on Memorial Day, so I had to jump on it, and they shipped it out super fast, as well as including the adapter for me, so couldn't be happier.